Alright, got our Bosch dishwasher running here. War department's telling me that dishes aren't getting clean after she runs them several times, so let me give you an example. Shout out to Lewis and Clark Brewing Company, but you can see that glass is just not clean. Opaque, kind of white substance on there, and that's after going through the wash. So same thing here. Not as bad. Shout out to Elkins and Priest Lake. Anyway, so we're going to go clean that filter, clean out the inside of this thing, and show you how to do it. Okay, inside the dishwasher, what we're going to do is clean this filter right here. Take this out. We're just going to unscrew it. It comes out real easy. This actually is two pieces. These two right here will come apart. Just kind of pull on them. And then there's this filter. Now we're going to clean these three things. So this is your coarse filter. Filters all the big stuff out. Just want to get this hot water going. Scrub this out. Get any big stuff. This right here is the microfilter. You can see some stuff gets caught up in here. I'm going to rinse this with hot water, going back out this way. So I'll show you how that's done. Now, this is the large screen filter. Again, turn hot water on, and we'll push things back out the opposite way. And again, just some indicators that your dishwasher isn't cleaning right. This guy, substance right here, it kind of builds up, and just even in here, we'll just go ahead and scrub that out. Alright, we're just going to clean some of the scum out of here. Just got some regular dish soap. Use the soft side of the sponge if you can, otherwise you see over here I left some marks here with the coarse side, but either way it works, just an appearance thing. Another thing you want to do before you reassemble everything, make sure there's no obstructions or anything down here. This guy's free spinning. Up here everything's looking good, which it is. So we're going to reinstall. And if you remember this from before, these two will snap together. Just kind of line these two guys up right here. And, easy enough. This guy's going to go right back on there. Easy. Again, line the arrows up. Feel where it snaps in there. Follow the arrow. It's tight, ready to go. Now we'll just do a quick rinse on here just to get all this kind of soap suds out, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. Dishes are done. Now we're going to check it to make sure everything's clean and right. Those are hot. Hot. Oh, I have to sit those down. Alright, so you can see those are getting much cleaner. Still a little bit of film there, but I think you need to scrub that off.